Welcome to the future of ISP management, a smart, scalable, and fully integrated platform built to empower internet service providers. This project focuses on following features: multi-vendor ISP support, customizable features, service plans and the user interface controls, and monitor all branches seamlessly, tracks equipment and supplies accurately, streamlines customer invoicing and payments, real-time help in self-service options, efficient employee payroll processing, shows service areas with maps. When you open up the website, you can simply request for CRM. The request goes to the admin panel. Let me quickly log into that. As you can see, there is no request right now. Now let's fill in the form to send an actual request. Now if we check the admin panel and refresh, there is a request there. Let's send another request. Now we have two requests here. Both the statuses are pending right now, but if we accept one, an email will be sent to them. Let's go to the email to check if it actually went through. There it is, your CRM request has been accepted. Now if we click on the link, we will be redirected to our company's login page. Now we use our credentials to log in. And we logged in. But if we reject a request, it would say rejected in status. And if we check our email on client side, we received an email saying your request has been declined. That's it for the initial sign-up stuff. Now let's see how the application actually works. Now to start off with the system, firstly, we can add our different branches here. Once we add in a new branch, it will redirect us to that branch's specific login page. As soon as we log in, we get this entire system where we start with setting up policies. Once that's done, we can allocate a package, and now we are set to make the package. To create we need a name, billing type, invoice info, service type, duration type. Then we assign a policy and finally allocate it. Once we press save, we get the record. Moving on to inventory, we can define our suppliers and set up the items there. This inventory will be accessible by both the client and the specific supplier. Now next up is setting up the users, such as super admins, technicians, and all other staff. Next up is network. Here lies the main micro-tick configuration, which we can then connect with our system. If we go to Winbox, we can see we already have a connection with micro-tick service, and it shows we only have one subscriber. Now moving on to customize profile settings, which only the super admin can do. Here we can change the name logo and update password. Finally, we can log out. That's it for the video.